How to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to create a brand new Gmail account without phone number verification. First, make sure you have a phone with SIM card, or you can use an old phone. Factory reset the device. Second, install the official Gmail app. If not, open your App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for Gmail, and tap Install or Get. It's free and made by Google. Once installed, tap to open the Gmail app. You'll see the sign-in screen. Scroll down a bit if needed and tap Create Account. Then choose For Myself or For My Personal Use. That's for a regular personal account. Now enter your first name and last name. Tap Next. Next screen, enter your birthday, select month, day, and year, and choose your gender or tap Rather Not Say. Tap Next. Here you'll create your email address. Google gives you two options. Create a new Gmail address, like yourname@gmail.com. This is what most people want. Or use an existing email address from another provider to make a Google account without a new Gmail. For a full Gmail account, pick the first option. Type your desired username. Google will check if it's available. If not, try adding numbers, dots, or use one of the suggestions. Once you have a good one, tap Next. Now create a strong password, at least 8 characters, mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Type it twice to confirm. Tap Next. Google will ask for a phone number for security and account recovery. This step is usually required on mobile, but in this case, it wouldn't ask. You can add a recovery email if you have another email address. Finally, you'll see Google's privacy and terms. Scroll through to read them, then tap I agree. That's it. Your new Gmail account is ready. You'll land right in your fresh inbox.